Hello, my name is Anthony Scalise, and this is my passion. What is my passion? My passion is video games. It started out with the Wii, and then the DS Lite, and then progressed from the Xbox 360 to the Xbox One to the PlayStation 4. I'm soon hoping to progress to the PC or personal computer. How did it start? It started when I got a Wii. When I got the Wii, the first video game I'd ever played in my life was Wii Sports, which came with the Wii console. And then I fell in love with video games when I got New Super Mario Bros. And played Mario Kart, and on the DS I'd play Mario Kart vs. Donkey Kong. It's all kind of just made me fall in love with video games. How did it continue? It continued when we got the Xbox 360. With Xbox 360 came Forza Motorsports 3 and Halo 3 ODST. I played Forza Motorsports for quite a while, and then after constant begging, my dad finally allowed me to play Halo 3. Fell in love with the game. Fell in love with the type of FPS, or first-person shooter as it stands. I fell in love with that genre of everything. Some other favorite FPS are Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 and Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Continuing, the Xbox One we got after a while of having the Xbox 360. It was about time for an upgrade. And then again, I fell back in love with Forza Horizon 2, or the Forza area. And then after that, fell back in love with others, the FPS, with Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. Some of my favorite games on the Xbox One are Halo 5 Guardians and Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Continuing, I got the PlayStation 4 around 2 years ago. With it came Uncharted 4: Thief's End. This was my first free roam world kind of video game. I really liked the concept, but I fell back into FPS. My favorite FPS on PlayStation as of now is Tom Clancy Rainbow Six Siege. It adds a new tactical view on first-person shooters. One of my other favorite games is Fortnite. How it progress? It'll progress with me getting a PC, and at the top is the MSI Trident 3. That is the one I'm aiming at getting. How can I turn my passion into a job? The job that I've seen that could most easily and most adaptively for me turn into a job is game development. Game development, you basically create the game, you create either the effects, the graphics, the textures, the landmass. You get to create all of it. You get to create something that you hope other people will love, and I love the concept of that. Thank you. This is my video.